humble, heartfelt thank you to Mr. Johnson from Johnson's Small Engine Repair. I thought I burnt the belt because it was smoking and smelled like burnt rubber, but apparently I didn't adjust it tight enough. And I looked back in some of his videos, and there was a 2-year-old video on Craftsman. It was a 28-inch one, a little older than my design. And he recommended a 3/8 ratchet and socket to tighten his. I used a 10mm. If you flip it up on end here like this, you can see this is where it originally was. I marked it with a felt pen, and then I moved it down. I had it only down about halfway, but I moved it down some more, and that solved the problem. Plus, it was a mistaken diagnosis because my auger was plugged up and iced up. And that whole mechanism, that circle in there, got full with frozen ice. So upon further review and some knowledge from a YouTube brother that shared his good advice, I got it going again without having to take it to the repair shop. And this is the heaviest snow, wettest snow we've seen in Buffalo in 30 years. And my brother and a lot of people out here shove them now. Agree. So God bless the YouTubers that share their knowledge with everybody out there.